Dude, my heart's pounding. Oh my god. Good morning, you beautiful souls. Today, we're gonna go and try to find more bad drivers, which is pretty... It's not easy to do, actually. When you're looking for them, they're not there. I'm actually using the Lexus this time, not the G-Wagon, because last time, that guy had a knife on him. I don't know if he was gonna like scratch the car, damage the car, so I can't live with that if they damage my car. This car I could live with, but if it was a Tesla or the G-Wagon or the Ferrari, I'd cry. Let's go find these people and let's teach them a thing or two about driving. Oh,
what the f***?
We gotta chase this guy down now.
I mean, he's in a Benz though. What's he gonna do?
Yeah. Oh, he's in a Benz. It's green. Yo.
What's he gonna
do?
Hey, say something to him. Say something.
Hey, man. What's up, dude? You in a rush? Why are you driving like that?
Driving like what?
You know how you driving.
What are you talking about?
You just get your license?
Oh, are you talking about the parking lot? Is that
I'm just talking about you driving in general.
Oh, you clown,
You
bro.
cut me off. What? What are you talking about?
So are we just gonna follow this guy?
Yeah, dude. This guy, man. I can see him looking at me, man. Look at him use no turn signal again, man.
No.
This guy's insane. What's he doing?
Dude, I think he knows that we're following him.
Yeah, I think he knows. What's he doing? Hey, whoa! Shit, dude.
God. Hey, pull up next to him. Say something.
Hey, man, why are you driving like that?
What's up, bro?
Problem or something?
Dude, you're just driving really bad.
You dude, mind your own business.
Dude, it is my.
I got you on camera, bro.
Hey,
I got you on camera, bro.
Hey. Pull the camera up. Pull the camera up. Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Dude, I think so. We finally found another bad driver after all this time, and it looked like she was doing her makeup and she's like swerving pretty hard and everything. So let's see if we can catch up to her.
That's perfect, bro.
Dude. Oh! She almost crashed right into that car.
You got that on camera, bro. I got it on camera.
I gotta get close. I gotta get close.
Pull up next to her. Pull up next to her.
Alright. Hey, roll down your window.
Hello?
Hello. Why do you drive like that?
Because I can.
It's very dangerous. You need to not drive like that.
I can if I want to. There wasn't anybody in the road.
We have you on camera about to hit a car. Like dead on.
Where? Please.
Right there. Right there. Pull over right now. I'll show you.
Whatever, dude.
Pull over right now. I'll show you. Dangerous. The f, dude? Okay, let's chase her down again.
You chase her down?
She's so young.
No, but seriously though, tell her to drive slower.
Look, dude.
No signal,
Didn't
barely
even stop
stop.
at the stop. Yeah. Hey, you gotta.
Following me?
Dude, you really gotta stop. You gotta stop. You can't drive. You cannot drive like that. It's dangerous. I just told you.
Okay, and it really doesn't make any sense for you to follow me. Let me drive how I want to drive.
No, not when people are involved. You're gonna kill someone.
There's nobody involved. Please
Dude,
fucking show me where.
there's people driving all around you. Do you not see?
Yeah, and they're on the other side of the fucking road. Like.
Well, you're also on the other side of the road with the way you're driving.
The other side.
You're on the other side. Are you even old enough to drive?
Yes, I'm old enough to drive.
Let me see your ID. Yeah, let me see your ID.
You're not even a cop, so you can actually just like stop following me.
Well, I can call the cops.
Go ahead. Like,
I will.
really don't care.
You need to chill out. And you
No,
need to,
I'm not gonna chill out.
do your parents know you're driving? Like, oh,
What? Hey, chase that.
Alright guys, well Ron here got tired of being bullied on by all these people, so he's gonna be the driver now. It's also getting pretty dark, so I don't know how much longer we can film. Like, we spent the entire day looking for people, I'd say. So hopefully we find one or maybe two more people before the night ends. Alright.
He's on his phone.
Oh my god, dude. I saw him do the same thing over there.
We're about to call him out.
Can you get next to him? I don't think there's any cops behind. Whoa. Swerving just a little bit.
Call him out right here.
Oh shit!
Call him out right now.
Hey buddy! Hey man! You gotta get off your phone? No? The f***? What, man? Oh, he flipped me up. What the f***?
You wanna chase him?
Jeez! He's gone, dude. Alright guys, so we both kind of had enough. It's getting dark and poor Ron here has had water spilled on him. Big dude almost punched him in the face. Almost broke my camera. He was a pretty big dude, dude. You got really lucky. You got really lucky. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please hit that subscribe button. If you want us to do another video like this, how many likes should this video get?
69.
69 likes for us to do another one of these. We'll step it up too. We'll do it in the hood. We'll do it in Oakland.
Oakland, Richmond.
Oakland, Richmond. Oh God, we're gonna get killed. Let's use the Ferrari and go do it too. That'd be perfect. That'd be awesome. We'll get killed and robbed. It's gonna be great. Alright fam, I will see you the next video and Hamed will be there next time for sure. Goodbye.
We got bad people who can't walk.
They can't walk.
Hey, yell at them. Yell at them.
Yeah, you're unable to walk. Hey man, learn how to walk.